My name is Liz Langlois and I am one of the medical providers at Rejuvime. I've spent a large amount of my career caring for patients who suffer from various illnesses. I've always had a passion for wellness and I'm thrilled now to be able to help patients look and feel their best. I've always wanted to be a nurse, but as an RN I began to feel restricted in being able to help people make real changes in their health. I decided to advance my career and my only regret was not doing it sooner. Now, as a nurse practitioner, I have more autonomy to be able to help patients and serve them better. The most rewarding part of my job is seeing real change and working with patients who want to be here. When a patient is motivated to make changes for the better, that's where the magic happens. I only hope to inspire my patients the same way they inspire me. My favorite patient success stories have been our female patients who have been told to just deal with their menopausal symptoms. Being able to help them feel more like themselves again in a safe and effective way makes me feel successful. I stay current with the latest treatments by doing research and seeking out educational opportunities any chance I have. Reading and staying current with the ever-changing research in the anti-aging and wellness field is essential. It's an exciting time to serve patients as I feel the medical field is slowly starting to shift to a preventative approach. A piece of advice I often share with patients is you get out what you put in. If you want to lead a healthy and energetic life, then you have to put the work in. Luckily, here at Rejuvime, we have some tricks of the trade that makes putting in that work a little easier and also makes the fruits of your labor more rewarding.